This is the Beehive 2. While it may look like a tiny house, it's really an innovative beehive that seamlessly provides fresh, pure and unprocessed honey straight from the tap. It also transforms you into a backyard beekeeper without the need for a lot of space, time, heavy lifting and additional expensive processing equipment that's typically required in beekeeping. Using a patented split cell technology, a partially formed honeycomb must first be finished by the hardworking bees. An observation window allows you to see when the honey is ready to be extracted from the tap without having to open up the hive. Plus, the observation window allows you and your family to marvel at the absolute genius of this process. Once filled and capped, you can turn the flow key, which makes the cells in the comb split. This creates outlets for the honey to easily flow down while the bees remain untouched on the surface of the comb. Then you can relish in the harvest by filling up small batches directly into your jar. Since there isn't any blending of conventional harvesting, you and your family's taste buds can savor subtle and sometimes not so subtle flavors, with seasonal variations in color, flavor and bouquet. It's important to note that distinctive flavors in each jar will reflect your specific location and seasonality of the nectar flow in your environment. The Beehive 2 is made from sustainably sourced timber with brass fittings. It also comes with a tray to trap pests, and the hive's legs can be adjusted for uneven ground. The Beehive 2 was invented by father-son duo, Stuart and Cedar Anderson, who hail from Australia. The Andersons believe in harvesting honey in a gentle way, creating community and educating others on the importance of bees and empowering beekeepers. Beehive 2's extraction process is reportedly very gentle without disturbing the bees, which isn't always the case in the standard process. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced beekeeper, you can enjoy the benefits of the Beehive 2. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.